Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in this video I'm going to show you the easiest way to draw TinyTan's JK version, and the steps are really easy. If you follow them properly, then you can draw it. Here I am using 200 GSM handmade papers, and as you can see, its surface is really rough and it is suitable for watercolor paintings. If you are a beginner, then I will recommend you to use at least 180 GSM papers, more than 180 or at least 180 GSM papers, because it will not bleed. You guys often ask me which type of pencils, brushes and colors I use to create this type of drawings. So I will mention their names on the screen and also in the description box, so you can check there. First of all, I will start to draw the figure by using a simple graphite pencil. Now it's time to color it. So here I made a mistake. I had to leave the white space on the right side as I did on the left side, but it's okay, we can manage it later. Thank you for watching, and if you want me to do this type of tutorials, then let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications. Like the video and share it with your friends. See you in my next video. Till then, spread love and peace. Bye bye.